Hi, everyone. I would like to share my Myanmar flood survivor. Myanmar flood survivor. She's a child. Deadly storm hit on September 11, 2024. Severe deadly storm hit Mandalay province, including Naypyidaw, Yamaran, Pyamna, Pyoboy, Takong, also Chokse, Meta, Maitila. Severe storm hit Yamaran Township, the Vida village. It is category 4. The severe storms. It destroys houses, trees, several people, many people, including children, animals, bicycle, motorcycle, everything. They swept away. There's very dangerous floods. During a long time ago, that never happened before this kind of floods in this region. That is dangerous category 4 floods. The survivor child, 3 years old. He slept with her mom, her dad, and other 4 people in the house. The flood swept away her home, and they are in the flooding water. They were flooding water. Her mom was sinking in the water, and she was on her dad's shoulder, her father's shoulder. Luckily, they found the shelter, the bushes. Her father lifted her on the bushes, even though he was there. The villagers, the neighbor villagers, looking for the survivor, but they didn't find anybody because of heavy rains and too dark at the night. The next morning, the villagers came again and looking for the survivor. They heard the child crying child. Then they followed her on the bushes, lifted by her dad. Even though he was dead. That is her dad thought he didn't want to surprise alone. He wanted to surprise her. His wife passed away again. Then he wanted to surprise her. That's why he chose to surprise her. Recently, Grandma take care her. She was looking for her dad, for her father, but he never came back again. That's a sad story. He gave the greatest gift for her, forever, unforgettable. The greatest gift in her whole life. He will be remembered his father. He will be remember her father. That's the story of the survivor. We have made the Myanmar's flood victims. So many people die. So many people are missing. So many people are homeless. Maybe 300,000 people homeless. They need shelter, they need food, they need emergency take care. For their survivors. That's one of the stories. Then we have other stories. I don't know the other story. There's this story is tragedy. That's why I would like to share my friends. That's why I decided to share this story. God bless flood victim people. God bless for everyone. Thank you very much for my videos. Thank you.